the kiwis.
Hi friends! Today we're learning colors and animals with Play-Doh. Look who's here! Elmo and Cookie Monster. Are you ready? Let's go! Our first animal is a cat. Can you say cat? Cats go meow. What color should we make our cat? Let's use red. Roll it flat. Press it down. Peel, peel, peel. And lift. Wow! A red cat. The cat is red. Look! A red dinosaur? A watermelon? Elmo and Cookie Monster found more red things. Everything is red. Our next animal is a giraffe. Can you say giraffe? Giraffes have very long necks. What color should we make our giraffe? Let's use yellow. Roll it flat. Press it down. Peel, peel, peel. And lift. Wow! A yellow giraffe. Look at that long neck. The giraffe is yellow. Look, a yellow excavator. A lemon. Elmo and Cookie Monster found more yellow things. Our next animal is a cow. Can you say cow? Cows go. What color should we make our cow? Let's use brown. Roll it flat. Press it down. Peel, peel, peel. And lift. Wow, a brown cow. The cow is brown. Look, a brown rhinoceros. A kiwi. Cookie Monster and Elmo found more brown things. Our next animal is a dolphin. Can you say dolphin? Dolphins swim and jump in the water. What color should we make our dolphin? Let's use blue. Roll it flat. Press it down. Peel, peel, peel. And lift. Wow, a blue dolphin. Look, a blue cup. A blue dolphin. Elmo and Cookie Monster found more blue things. Our next animal is a duck. Can you say duck? Ducks go. What color should we make our duck? Let's use orange. Roll it flat. Press it down. Peel, peel, peel. And lift. Wow, an orange duck. Look, an orange. An orange ball. Cookie Monster and Elmo found more orange things. Our next animal is a bunny. Can you say bunny? What color should we make our bunny? Let's use pink. Roll it flat. Press it down. Peel, peel, peel. And lift. Wow, a pink bunny. Hop, hop, hop. Look, a dragon fruit, a crab. Elmo and Cookie Monster found more pink things. Our last animal is an elephant. Can you say elephant? Elephants go. What color should we make our elephant? Let's use gray. Roll it flat. Press it down. Peel, peel, peel. And lift. Wow, a gray elephant. Look, a fry pan. A T-Rex. Cookie Monster and Elmo found more great things. Wow, look at everything we used today. Our cutters, our Play-Doh, and our 7 colorful animals. Good job, friends. Bye-bye. See you next time. Hi friends, today we're learning colors with yummy ice cream Play-Doh. Look who's here, Elmo and Cookie Monster. Are you hungry? Let's make some ice cream.
Yes!
First, let's pick a color. What color is strawberry ice cream? Let's use red. Scoop 1. Scoop 2. Scoop 3. Wow! A red strawberry cone. Let's pick our next color. What color is chocolate ice cream? Let's use brown. Scoop 1. Scoop 2. Scoop 3. Wow, a brown chocolate cone. Let's pick our next color. What color is banana ice cream? Let's use yellow. Scoop 1. Scoop 2. Scoop 3. Wow, a yellow banana cone. Let's pick our next color. What color is mint ice cream? Let's use green. Scoop 1. Scoop 2. Scoop 3. Wow, a green mint cone. 3 scoops high. Let's pick our next color. What color is grape ice cream? Let's use purple. Scoop 1. Scoop 2. Scoop 3. Wow, a purple grape cone. Let's pick our next color. What color is bubblegum ice cream? Let's use pink. Scoop 1. Scoop 2. Scoop 3. Wow, a pink bubblegum cone. Let's pick our next color. What color is blueberry ice cream? Let's use blue. Scoop 1. Scoop 2. Scoop 3. Wow, a blueberry cone. Let's pick our next color. What color is vanilla ice cream? Let's use white. Scoop 1. Scoop 2. Scoop 3. Wow, a white vanilla cone. Let's pick our last color. What color is orange ice cream? Let's use orange. Scoop 1. Scoop 2. Scoop 3. Wow, an orange cone. Look at all our ice cream. Red strawberry, brown chocolate, yellow banana, green mint, purple grape, pink bubblegum, blue blueberry, white vanilla, and orange. 9 yummy colors all in a row. Great job, friends! Wait a second. Where did this scoop go? Oh look, more scoops are disappearing. Who could it be? Cookie Monster, it was you all along. You ate all the ice cream scoops. Naughty Cookie Monster. Cookie Monster is hungry. That's okay, Cookie Monster. They did look yummy. Friends, can you say which color he ate? Red, brown, yellow? All gone into Cookie Monster's tummy. Bye-bye, Elmo. Bye-bye, Cookie Monster. You silly scoop thief. Bye-bye, friends. See you next time.